Welcome to today's lesson, which is on the top 100 English words, part 4. We will look at each word and how we can construct a sentence with it. So I will start with by. Your shoes are by the door. Your shoes are by the door. She will meet you at the station. She will meet you at the station. Or, hurry up or you will be late. Hurry up or you will be late. As, it is as cold as ice. It is as cold as ice. What time should we leave? What time should we leave? Go. Can we go to the cinema? Can we go to the cinema? There. Where did they leave their coats? Where did they leave their coats? Can. The police can stop the traffic. The police can stop the traffic. Who? Who do you think did it? Who do you think did it? Get. Can you get some milk, please? Can you get some milk, please? You can rewind the video and practice these sentences again, or you can make your own sentences using the same words. The more you practice, the easier it should become. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to produce more videos. Bye for now.